course, magically also leaves space for our next story, Skullcandy's TWS headset. And these earphones that they have are called the Sesh Evo. Now, lots of interesting things, including the fact that they're very nice looking, great battery life of 24 hours, and the other part that the sound is also very, very good. But they are priced very, very well.
If you are a music lover and enjoy watching content on your smart device, then this is a segment for you. Today on the show, we are reviewing Skullcandy's latest true wireless earbuds, Sesh Evo. These promising earbuds are offered by Skullcandy at an amazing price point. The fact that the Sesh Evo comes with Tile app support, which means you can locate these buds if lost, only makes it better. We are excited to turn on our Bluetooth and find out what these buds can do. So let's pair them up and get started with this review. Skullcandy has done a great job with the overall packaging of these TWS earbuds. The case is compact and is really easy to carry around in pockets. There is a button on the case which is used to connect the buds with your device. Additionally, the LED indicators that you see on the case can help you monitor the battery backup that the case is left with. Skullcandy has designed these buds very meticulously. These true wireless earbuds looked great once you put them on. They are not at all chunky like some of the other earbuds we have tested before. Sesh Evo sits comfortably, and since they are lightweight, they don't bother the user at all. Skullcandy delivers a Sesh Evo with 2 pairs of extra ear tips, so finding the right fit for you shouldn't be a problem. There are push buttons on each bud that performs their dedicated functions. These buttons help the user to control music and take calls by pressing the bud, making connectivity feasible and accessible. A point to note here is that the buttons were a little hard to press. The pressure can slide the buds further inside the user's ear after multiple taps, only to be pulled out after a while. This might be a nitpick, but Skullcandy could have opted for softer keys on the Sesh Evo. Unlike the previous generations, which came with just one sound output mode of the box, Skullcandy has added 3 different sound modes with the Sesh Evo: music, movies and podcast. We cranked up a variety of sounds on and heard them in all 3 EQ settings. To our surprise, it was the movie mode in which we got the best results. The bass was good in the sound and the treble had a lot of life in it as well. The earbuds can also be used individually, which is a standout feature. Each bud has a dedicated microphone, which means you don't have to use both the buds at a given time while you do your chit-chat. The noise cancellation was satisfactory with us. We were able to communicate clearly even while we used the buds outside. Skullcandy gets brownie points for providing great battery life on the Sesh Evo. The earbuds by themselves can last up to 5 hours on a single charge. Additionally, the case can carry up to 19 hours of battery backup, which should be ample to last easily for a week. Both the buds and the case combined together packs up a mileage of 24 hours, making sure you don't have to miss out on your favorite tunes. It's time to close this review with our verdict of the Sesh Evo. At Rs 4,499, Skullcandy has accomplished the task of providing its celebrated sound quality at an affordable price. If you are on a budget, these TWS earphones should fit right in.